Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Thermal power plants taking up flue gas desulfurization installations. Sterlite commissions Kargone transmission project in Madhya Pradesh. Update on power related tenders. Update on solar projects and agreements. Coming to the details. Ducon Infra Technologies, a fossil fuel clean technologies company, will provide technology flue gas desulfurization package for 2 into 600 megawatt Singareni thermal power plant stage 1 Telangana. Ducon will provide FGD execution expertise to the project from concept to commissioning. The anticipated value of the order for Ducon will be in the range of 150 to 200 crore rupees. Ducon Infra Technologies was also declared the lowest bidder on two other NTPC FGD projects and is expected to receive those orders soon. Thermax Limited has concluded an order of 545.6 crore rupees from an Indian power public sector company to set up FGD systems for its two units of 500 megawatt capacity each in Uttar Pradesh. The scope of supply includes design, engineering, manufacturing, civil work, construction and commissioning of FGD systems. The project is slated to be completed in 30 months. Sterlite Power announced successful commissioning of Kargone transmission project worth 1662 crore rupees in Madhya Pradesh. The project will evacuate 1320 megawatt of power generated by the Kargone power plant to 765 kV Khandwa substation to further distribute it downstream across Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Goa, Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli. With the completion of 765 kV Khandwa Dhule transmission line, all the elements in the project are complete and charged. The Electricity Department of Union Territory of Lakshadweep has invited bids to acquire its distribution company responsible for electricity distribution and retail supply. The selected bidder will also be responsible for developing clean energy projects. The last date of submission of bids is March 28, 2022. The pre-bid meeting will take place on January 24th. The Solar Energy Corporation of India has invited bids to set up an 8 megawatt grid connected waste to energy project in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. The scope of the work includes securing connectivity approvals, installation and interconnection of the project with the grid connected to supply power to Solar Energy Corporation of India. The successful bidder should also make storage arrangements for refuse derived fuel supplied by the Department of Urban Development or urban local body for 45 days of plant operation. The last date to submit bids is February 10, 2022. Bids will be opened on February 15th. The successful bidder must commission the project within 18 months from the date of PPA. Singareni Collieries Company Limited CMD directed concerned officials to complete survey works for floating solar power plants on Lower Manair Reservoir in Karimnagar by February 2022. Tenders should be called for in the month of March once the government approves. The capacity planned is 15 megawatt approximately. Promoters agreement has been signed between NHPC and JETCOL, fully owned subsidiary of OHPC, to form a joint venture company for production of solar power from floating installations in different reservoirs of the state of Odisha with a total capacity of 500 megawatt. In the first stage, 300 megawatt capacity will be installed in a reservoir of Rengeli hydroelectric project. The project will be implemented under UMREPP mode 8 scheme of MNRE Department of Government of India, which provides for one-time central financial assistance to the developers and an annual facilitation fee to be paid to the state government throughout the life of the project. The first stage of the project will have an outlay exceeding 2000 crore rupees and will generate 600 million units of energy per year. It is first of its kind in the state and largest in the country so far. The project will help the state to meet its renewable energy generation target and purchase obligations, besides creating investment and employment opportunities. More such projects are being planned in Hirakud and other reservoirs of the Odisha. Amp Energy India has commissioned a 30 megawatt solar power project for Bosch Limited. The solar project capacity would be provided from Energy India's open access facility in Raichur district of Karnataka. Bosch and Amp Energy have signed a power purchase agreement for procurement of solar power for 25 years. The solar open access facility commissioned this month will generate about 43 million units of green energy per year for Bosch. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister has directed officials to expedite the work of making Sanchi a World Heritage Site in Raisin district. Under Sanchi Solar City scheme, 12 technical institutes will be run by an off-grid solar plant, while Anganwadi centers will be lit with solar energy, and a 6,000 kV solar system will be installed in the city. All houses, agriculture and industrial sector will also be linked with solar system. Authorities have also identified a 20-acre land near Nagori village to set up a ground-mounted solar system to generate clean energy. Additional news today. 85 thermal power plants are running with critical coal stock. National Load Dispatch Center through automated generation control project sends signal every 4 seconds to maintain frequency and reliability of the power system. Currently, 50 power projects with cumulative capacity of 51 gigawatt across all 5 regions receives this signal. Dilip Buildcon Limited received letter of award for OB removal contract mining work for Amadhanand open cast mine in Madhya Pradesh worth 2,683 crore from Southeastern Coalfield Limited. Rajasthan Electricity Regulatory Commission ruled increase in the rates of basic customs duty on import of solar inverter along with integrated GST and social welfare surcharge as change in law event of power purchase agreements. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 196.08 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 2 rupees 7 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 51 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 78 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 53 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 61 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 6.02 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 3 rupees 82 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.